Hi, it's Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today I want to show you something special. A lot of times people are looking for a cover, but they're really concerned, will this cover work with my fifth wheel? So let's come over and let's take a look. We just did this RetraxPro, and this is the XR. What is the XR? Well, the XR is the referring to the rails, which are T-slots. Now, if you look real closely, it's got a little better design on this particular model as it kind of curves out there. A little more pizzazz, a little fancier. And having a nice wide rail does a lot of things. One is keeps the water out. Two, when he puts racks on this, it's going to hold more weight, so it's going to have better stability. And it's a nice feature, of course, with the all metal. It holds 500 pounds. That's right, 500 pounds evenly distributed. And when you get the RetraxPro, you are getting the lifetime warranty from Retrax. Really good warranty. So, of course, I was talking about the fifth wheel, so let's go into that right now. Now, the main concern people have, will a fifth wheel work with my cover? Well, as you can see, well, yes, it works very well. Let's take a look here, and you'll see as I go back here, there's plenty of space. It's nice to be able to cover up your fifth wheel when you're driving. It's a little cleaner look, and you know, it's not exposed to the elements and stuff like that. If you notice, there is space underneath the canister as well. And another nice feature about the Retrax, it can stop anywhere along the track. So if you wanted to move this up just a little bit as he's towing, he can. Of course, you can put it anywhere along the track and lock it in place. Now, if you notice, this gentleman has a dually here. Now, I'm always going to tell you the pros and cons. If you get a Retrax with a dually, you don't want to lift the dually. Like, for example, the customer owns this truck, he's tall, this is not a problem. As you can see, I can open it, no problem. But if you have someone who's petite, lady, she might have a harder time reaching over and getting this. So keep that in mind if you have a dually. But as you can see, not a problem, but you do want to make sure you have enough enough height to do this. So again, he's not going to lift this truck. He's towing with this. It doesn't make sense to lift it. So this is perfect for him. And plus, he really wanted the XR rails. And I love the XR rails. If you want to put racks on here, you can. It's so many cool things you can do with it. It really opens up a lot of extra things you can do. And again, you see as I'm walking along here, no problem whatsoever opening and closing this cover with the dually. So again, here it is with the fifth wheel, which is actually a very nice fifth wheel. We didn't put it in, but it's nice. So, and again, you get a nice lifetime warranty on the cover. You also have 1-year warranty from us, which is really nice. Anything we do, we give you 1-year labor guarantee from C&H. So all in all, it's a great setup. It looks good. It functions good. Now, if you say, you know what, Chris, I want that Retrax. I got the same truck. You can order right from our website. I'll have the link on the bottom of this video. Of course, you can always call me. Like the gentleman did. Actually, he came in here with his wife and ordered it from our showroom, and we installed it for him. Either way, we can help you from the showroom. You can give us a call. Go right to the website. And of course, if you like what you see, hit that little like button. We appreciate that. And of course, subscribing to the channel keeps you up to date with new stuff. You know, we're not just doing the covers, we're showing you all the different models with the covers. So if you want to see how an XR rail is a little different on this model, you can see it. You say, oh, I got a fifth wheel, will it work? Well, yes, it'll work very nicely. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida.